Okay, welcome back to Dorm Dining, and we are today going to unbox a brand new item, the Elite Gourmet Air Fryer, and it is a 1 quart air fryer, so it's pretty small. It doesn't do a lot at a time. Perfect for cooking for 1 or 2 people at the most. It shows onion rings and I think mozzarella sticks on the front of the box, but today we are going to be doing fish sticks. That's what my son asked for, so today that's what we will be doing. And I'm going to open up the box, see how it works. And this is the one that got the highest ratings on the internet, so this is the one that I bought. And we're going to find out how it works. It's pretty low in watts, so it won't pull a lot if you are in a van or an RV using a battery. All right, stick with me. Let's find out what this is all about. Okay, I took it out of the box and I cleaned the tray up and read through the instructions real quick. Let me show you here. It is really, really small. It's 8 inches tall and about a little over 7, almost 8, 7.5, I'm gonna go with, wide. So it will not take up a lot of space, and it's very, very light. Very, very light. I'm guessing about 3 pounds, maybe, tops. And the cord is very short, probably for storage solutions. Okay, so the booklet, if you read through it, will tell you how to do many things in this. You can steam anything that you usually bake in an oven, you can do in this. They have little recipes in the back. There's one that says fish sticks with yogurt dip, and we're going to do fish sticks. And gives you little helpful hints. What to do, how to make things better, like shaking the tray or the food in the middle of cooking. Now for fish sticks, it says to do 6 to 14 ounces for 10 to 14 minutes. Temperature is at 390. Okay. So this drawer is extremely tiny. You're not going to be doing a lot. And there's a little tray in here that comes out. It says to make sure you always use the little tray. And if you don't use the tray, make sure you have a little bowl that's safe to use in one of these, or plates, okay? Now, if you want to keep this cleaner, I recommend that you put tinfoil, which you can get at the Dollar Tree, on this. And it's supposed to be non-stick, but if it gets sticky, maybe a little bit of oil spray. And let's start this. Here we go. We're gonna do, what's a serving? On the back?
Yes, that says 5 to 6.
5 to 6 fish sticks? Okay, do you want 6?
No, it says 5 of them.
Oh, 5 of them. All right, so 5 fish sticks. So we're gonna put 5 fish sticks in the air fryer basket. And I do have one of my sons here to help me out, since he needs to learn how to do this. And you're going to put a little bit of space in between them, if you can, if there's enough space. What is that, 3? Okay, 4 and 5. Got 5?
Yeah.
Okay. Put the drawer in. If you have to, you can move it around so you can reach it. Put the drawer in the machine, in the air fryer. Okay, so the top dial is minutes, and you're gonna have to figure out what 5 minutes is, 15, and 25, but it'll tell you what 10, 20, and 30 are. So you're gonna go somewhere in between 10 and 20. It says for 14 minutes. Now the bottom dial is temperature, and it said to do it at 390. And I'm guessing that it's already going. It's very quiet. It's very, very, very quiet. But the light is on, so that's a good thing. I guess we will find out if we are doing this right in a few minutes. Okay. No. So I would say just, okay, we're gonna take it out, or take the drawer out and shake the food a little bit, because it recommends doing that halfway through. And I'm gonna zap this. So it says it's 268.5. Let's flip them. It's not shaking. It is definitely hot, and it's definitely working. Ouch. Okay, all right. Put it back in, we'll do it for the rest of the time. Okay, so I guess that means it's done. It did give a little tiny ding at the end, and the light went off. So we'll have you pull out the fish sticks, and we'll see what they look like. Yeah, they look pretty good. All right. They're pretty hot. They are 235.5, I'd say. That's pretty hot. So you can get these little packets. You don't have to get a big jar bottle like this of malt vinegar if that's what you like to do. You can make a fish sandwich with some bread and cheese. You can do a suggestion on the back of the box here, which is tacos. You can buy a little tortilla and some taco toppings and have some tacos. There, like I said, are recipes in the cookbook, or in the little instruction booklet that comes with this. So for this brand of fish sticks, 5 fish sticks is 18 carbs, and they're not that bad. They're not that high in carbohydrates either. Now this is a little bit warm. I can touch it, but I'm not going to burn myself. It's warm. I say this is a good little addition to any dorm room if you want. It worked out just fine. And we will see you in the next one. Bye for now.